little dog?
Yeah, little dog.
Right, Lisa,
Name's
now
Mojo.
you've got 5 minutes, and then you're happy to take questions?
Yeah, I think I'm alright to do that.
Absolutely good. The floor's yours.
I did take that Chihuahua at the beginning of this year. I came in, I was doing an AP for $10 a week. That was going on, that had been going on for years. And sometimes I'd get a check back at the end of the year. I came in here in February and I had $130 in my account, or whatever it is, the rego. And then I got a fine for not registering my dog. They don't know where the money's gone, they don't know anything. It annoys me because it's going up and it's going up, and I keep trying to relate to them that I've got a tag, I've got everything else, but I still owe this money. I find it really hard for dog owners. It must be very hard because my dog is this big, and to pay $180 for him to be allowed to be in this town, and in the South Waikato I have to pay $180 a year. And I'm here for him. Because he only takes up this much room. So wherever he goes. So I need to clarify that it should depend on the size of your dog, and not to just say, oh well, she's got a dog with Mojo. It might be a big, say Bernard. No, you got to ask, and even sight with the dog ranger, So and the catch up of who's paying and where's this money gone. That's something I wanted to know. In the traffic thing, I was thinking there'd be a lot of the thing is with signs. It's cheaper to make a sign that is relevant to your community and truck drivers or whatever. It's cheaper to go and put up a bloody post somewhere and say 50k. Instead of all of us sitting here going, oh, they're going 60k. Every other town I go through it's 50k. Standard 50k. Some of those trucks roll through there. There's no way they'll be able to stop at 60k if someone pulled out front. And it's just a disaster. And they are ruining the roads, but that's just something that can help and that can appease in the meantime until something is worked out. It's easy. It's simplistic. It doesn't have to be a big hoo-ha of anything else. I don't know whether you can do that or not. I've never been here before. I've never done this.
Councillor Blake,
you're right.
Okay, cool.
Just on Balmoral Drive, I think Balmoral Drive is the problem because trucks coming in from Mangakino just go straight up Balmoral Drive, use it as a shortcut if they're heading south. And it does need a lot of heavy traffic. I just wonder whether the traffic engineers could have a look at having a system where you have a couple of, the road is restricted in some way so you can't get a truck around it, like little islands. I see other roads that you can keep vehicles off by making it difficult for a truck to be on it. And then they would just have to go straight up Maraewa Road. They wouldn't have that option.
They should be going up on the other side of Taupo Road and coming down on that other stretch of road.
Yeah.
Because tractors go on that road. I've been behind a tractor for like an hour sometimes, and I'm not probably exaggerating it, but
there is a problem.
Yeah. So if we could guide them through to the other roads, that's government road, isn't it? So, they can pick up the tab for it. I was going to swear then, sorry. But you know what I mean? Hey, there are simplistic ways to solve problems. And it's just pulling your finger out your butt and getting on with it. So we don't have to all come here in the daytime and keep going over shite.
Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you.
I wish it was that easy.
Oh, so do I.
I so wish it was that easy.
I know you do.
Thank you. Hey, are there any other questions of Lisa? Hey, thank you very much for your presentation.